Hey, how's it going? I'm here to audition for your label.
Yeah, sorry, we already have tattooed ball cap guy.
I'm a little confused. I'm not sure what you mean.
Like I said, we already have a singer who does the tattooed ball cap thing. Slot's filled, bud. Sorry.
So you don't even want to hear me sing?
Because it doesn't matter. Look, we only have a fixed number of positions, right? It's not like anyone can be a country music star. There's only so many openings. There's rodeo cowboy, beach cowboy, ZZ Top cowboy, redneck, fat guy, pop star, pretty cowboy, outlaw, black guy, ex-rocker, hippie cowboy, and tattooed ball cap guy, which is filled. Yeah, unless you change your look, there's nothing I can do for you. The best you can hope for is that something bad happens to current tattooed ball cap guy. Those are just the rules. Like, the only exception is for white blonde-haired chicks for whatever reason.